To disconnect the battery, open the back gate, the cupboard, open this cover, and this is a ground cable. You're just using 10mm and loose that cable, and take that cable and take this ground cable out from the post. So that's ground cable. Move it over there. If you want to close the boot or the tailgate, put something here. Otherwise, the door will be locked, and you won't be able to open it. And you have to get into the door and then climb it and connect the battery. Then you can open it. To reconnect the battery, just take the ground connector up and put it to the post. Get it down over there, and then use the 10mm socket, tighten it as tight as you can, and that would be okay. So that's okay, and then place this cover back.